If you have spent much time working around a classic Cessna with the beaded control surface skins, you've seen conditions like this where we have a bead that's been crushed. And this one has got more than 1/4 of an inch deflection. Now, to avoid having to reskin it, you can go ahead and get a good steady support, which I don't really have here, but this is just a demo. And get yourself a screwdriver which will fit inside the bead long enough to go all the way in. With the crushed bead on the bottom, go ahead and, with all the force you can muster, drag the screwdriver the length of the bead. Now, each time you do that, it's only going to move the skin a tiny amount. I mean, you're lucky if it would move a few thousandths. So it is going to take a lot of work to get that bead straightened. And if you have more than one bead, as you work on one, the others are trying to hold you back, so you have to work on all of them. You don't want to do just one at a time, kind of work on all of them.